You've probably seen YouTube channels like this where they explain and review popular movies in a fun and engaging way. This type of channel has become incredibly popular, attracting millions of views and raking in thousands of dollars each month. The best part? They're not doing anything too complicated. In fact, the creators don't even make the videos themselves. Now, if you're wondering whether these channels are monetized, just check it out yourself. Go to this website, use the monetization checker, paste the channel link, and see for yourself. As you can see, YouTube is definitely monetizing these types of channels. Still not convinced? Look at YouTube's reuse content policy. Specifically, the second point says, if you rewrite the movie's dialogue and change the voiceover, your content is eligible for monetization. And according to Social Blade, this channel is making about $29,000 monthly just by uploading movie explainer videos. As you can see, these movie explainer videos are a goldmine just waiting to be tapped. And you can dive in right now to start raking in the cash. And here's something even cooler. You can expand your reach by translating your videos into different languages like Hindi, Chinese, and many more languages. This way, you can attract viewers from all around the world who prefer to watch in their native language. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and watch this video all the way through because I'm going to show you the easiest way to create your own movie explainer videos without worrying about copyright issues. That way, you can start your own channel and start making money too. To show you that this isn't just hype, here is an explainer video I made in less than 5 minutes.
Killmonger challenges T'Challa, defeats him, and throws him off a waterfall thinking he's dead. Killmonger plans to send Wakandan weapons worldwide. Nakia, Shuri, and Ramonda escape to the Jabari tribe and find a wounded T'Challa. Healed, T'Challa returns and fights Killmonger, who wears his own Black Panther suit. With help from allies, T'Challa defeats Killmonger, who chooses to die free instead of being saved.
Isn't it perfect? So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Then let's dive into the steps to create your movie explainer video. If you miss something important, you could end up making mistakes that lead to copyright problems. And trust me, YouTube can delete your account in minutes if you get it wrong. So pay close attention from start to finish, and I'll guide you through the right way to succeed. If you want your videos to perform well, start by choosing movies that are highly rated. To find such movies, open your web browser and search for top-rated Hollywood movies. You'll quickly find a list of films with excellent IMDb ratings. For instance, The Hitman's Bodyguard is a movie I've personally seen, and it has a strong IMDb rating. To ensure you're selecting good content, look for movies with ratings above 5. You can also find high-rated movies on YouTube. Just jot down the titles that catch your eye. Here's a game-changing method to avoid copyright issues with movie clips. And it's much simpler than what you might have heard. Instead of downloading clips from Chinese apps or translating them yourself, let's use a straightforward approach. Forget the so-called gurus who tell you to download the movie clips from Chinese apps and then translate them using third-party tools. This advice is not only time-consuming, but can also get you in trouble. Using movie clips from unverified third-party sources is risky and can lead to complications, especially when it comes to monetizing your content. Instead, let me show you a smarter way to get the movie clips you need. Go to YouTube and search for movie clips directly there. For this video, we'll use the movie Black Panther. Just search for Black Panther on YouTube, and you'll find tons of different scenes from various sources. Download the clips you need. This method is not only straightforward, but also significantly reduces the risk of encountering copyright problems. Additionally, you can search for movie explained videos on YouTube. These videos already feature the key scenes and provide summaries or analyses of the films. This approach is especially handy because you won't need to hunt down specific clips yourself. Simply download or screen record these explanation videos and then mute the original audio. This way, you're left with the footage you need without the risk of copyright claims. Once you've selected a movie, you'll need a script. For this, I recommend using ChatGPT with a specific prompt designed to generate high-quality scripts without spoiling the movie's climax or key twists. The link to this prompt is in the description. By using this method, you'll save time. You won't need to watch the entire movie to get the gist of it. However, it's crucial to review the script and tweak it to make it more engaging. This ensures the content feels fresh and keeps your audience hooked. For the voiceover, avoid using tools that restrict commercial use, like 11 Labs on its free plan. Instead, try VoiceMaker, a free AI tool that provides realistic voices. Just paste your script into VoiceMaker and you're ready to go. Don't forget to credit the tool in your video description. With VoiceMaker, you can only input 250 characters at a time, so generate your voiceovers in parts. Start by choosing the perfect voice for your project. To do this, click on Change and explore over 750 unique voices available for free. Each one is ideal for creating engaging, monetizable content. Take your time to listen to each option.
Good afternoon.
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 When you find the right one, click Submit. Then hit Convert to Speech and watch your voiceover come to life in seconds. Download it and repeat to complete your entire voiceover set. Editing is where your video truly comes to life. This is your chance to add your personal touch and make your content shine. Even if you're new to video editing, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process, step by step. First, gather all your materials and import them into your editing software. For this guide, we'll be using CapCut. It's a powerful yet easy-to-use tool, perfect for beginners. Whether you're editing on a mobile device or a PC, CapCut has you covered, and you can find the download link in the description of this video. Once you've got everything set up in CapCut, start by placing your voiceover on the timeline. To keep your audience engaged, you might want to remove any awkward silences in the voiceovers. You don't have to eliminate all the pauses, just the ones that disrupt the flow of your video. Next, let's work with the movie clips. Place the first clip on the timeline and use a little trick I like to call the 5-second rule. Instead of taking a long, continuous clip, break it up into shorter segments. For example, if you have a 10-second clip, consider taking 5 seconds from one part and 5 seconds from another. This not only adds variety, but also keeps your video dynamic and interesting. After you've arranged the clips to match your voiceover, it's time to refine the visuals. Zoom in on the clips to fit them to the screen, but avoid stretching them too much. Adding smooth transitions between clips will make your video flow better, so take your time and choose transitions that complement your content. To make your video even more engaging, let's add captions. CapCut's auto caption feature is super handy for this. Once the captions are generated, you can customize them with different fonts and colors to match your channel's branding. Position the captions where they don't distract from the visuals, enhancing your video without overwhelming it. For a professional touch, consider adding your YouTube channel name as a subtle watermark. Use the text tool to place your channel name in the top corner of the screen and adjust the opacity so it doesn't distract from the main content. This is a great way to reinforce your brand and give your video a polished look. Finally, let's talk about background music. In many movie-explained videos, background music isn't necessary, but if you choose to add some, make sure it's subtle and complements your voiceover. You can find free music on platforms like Pixabay or YouTube. Just keep the volume low enough so it adds to the atmosphere without overpowering your narration. With everything in place, your video is ready to export. Before you upload, take a moment to optimize the video title, description, and tags with good SEO practices. This will help your video reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating movie explainer videos that not only grab attention, but can also be monetized on YouTube and rack in the cash, turning your passion into profit. Just imagine transforming popular movies into a steady income stream, just like many successful channels are doing right now. Consistency is key here. Keep uploading regularly and make sure to engage with your audience. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they'll become, helping your channel grow even faster. But here's a pro tip that could really boost your earnings. Consider translating your explainer videos into other popular languages like Chinese, Hindi, Spanish, and French. By offering content in multiple languages, you'll reach a broader audience, including those who prefer watching movie explanations in their native language. This not only increases your views, but also opens up new opportunities to earn more money from your channel. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to turn popular movies into cash without needing to create your own film. If you found this advice helpful, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more tips on making money online.